Picking up
Can you please have the patient number?
September 28th, 1983.
Last name?
Barth, B-A-R-T-H.
Okay, I do not have anything ready. What are you expecting today, sir?
I was told it'd be ready yesterday at 1 o'clock.
For what medication?
My topiramate?
Yeah, we faxed the doctor requesting refills, but they have not replied back to us, sir.
No, I had one refill on the bottle.
Okay, let me double check on that, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, can I have you date of birth one more time, please?
September 28th, 1983.
Okay, just give me a minute, please, okay?
Okay.